Hey everybody, it's Mary. Don't you just love Christmas time and love Christmas cakes? I know I do. These things are a big weakness. I'm glad that these particular ones are only out once a year. But we're going to use these in a recipe today. Okay. We're going to make just a dip with them. Okay. I have one box which has 5 of these cakes. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to crumble them up and get them all mashed up. No big pieces. And that includes the icing that's in between there, guys. It is a little messy, but that's okay, because it's going to be yummy whenever we get finished. This is for big kids and little kids alike. Even though I think whenever you say a Christmas tree cake dip, that the little ones are going to say, oh my gosh! Probably more so than the big ones. But okay. I'm going to crumble this last one up right here, and I'm going to go wash my hands, and then we're going to get the creamy base to go in here. Okay, let's get ready to make the creamy part of this dip. I have softened. Listen to me. I have soft cream cheese. I have powdered sugar. Now, folks, don't worry about trying to get the measurements. I'll put all that in the description box or in the comments. Okay. That is Cool Whip. Okay. Now I have vanilla extract. Folks, I always use vanilla extract as opposed to flavoring because it's much better. The taste is daylight and dark. Okay, that's just a tad bit over a half a teaspoon. Okay. Now we're going to mix all of this up. This cream cheese has been sitting at room temperature, I don't know, probably for a couple of hours or so. Now, folks, you could use a hand mixer on this if you'd like. But I'm just doing it old school today. So let's just mix all this up. Do you folks like to make dishes like this for holidays? Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatnot? I know I cannot wait to see the little kids in the family dig into this later on today. It's going to be so good. As you can see, it's starting to mix up. There's still some clumps in it, so I'm going to just take a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. If you're doing it by hand, and just a minute or 2 if you're doing it on low with your electric mixer. Okay. This is pretty well mixed up. I mean, there's still a few little tiny pieces of cream cheese in here, which for me, that's a bonus to get some cream cheese in here. If you want it perfectly smooth, keep blending or use a hand mixer. Okay, I'm going to take my crumbled up Christmas trees and we're going to stir it into the cream filling. Isn't that beautiful, guys? It's already looking festive. Now you can use the chocolate Christmas trees if they have them in your area. They did not make them in my area this year. I don't know if that is a nationwide thing or if it's just a regional thing. But I think for this dish, the vanilla is prettier because it makes the sprinkles show up. Now this will soften up a little bit as the mixture absorbs the creamy filling. Okay, I'm going to transfer it to my serving bowl and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Well, before I put it in the refrigerator, I'm going to put some sprinkles on it to make it even more pretty. But we're going to make it nice and pretty. And then after we make it nice and pretty and get the sprinkles on it, it's going to sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour, or overnight would be best. Have you folks ever made this? If you have, let me know in the comments. Did you like it? What ideas do you have that might improve it? Okay, let's put this over here. And you can use any color, any shape of sprinkles that you want. This just happens to be what I have on hand. So just going to put them on that. Okay. I'm going to put the lid on it, and then it's going to go in the refrigerator. And I'm going to serve mine with the vanilla wafers when it comes out. You could use ginger snaps. You could even use peppermint candies, fruits, whatever you think would be good to go on this sweet dip. Okay, I've just opened my vanilla wafers, and I'm going to spread them on the serving plate here. Now folks, you can take the time to place them, be all nice and pretty, and that's fine. But I don't really want to dig down in there. I don't want to risk breaking the vanilla wafer off in here. So I'm just going to get a little serving knife. I need more than that. And we're going to give this a taste test. Guys, that is great. But look how pretty and festive that is. Nice Christmas colors to go with your Christmas tree cake dip. But thanks for watching. Like the video, follow me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.